Hi, my name's Andrew Isaacs. Thank you for watching the video. I want to talk to you about cheap divorces. If I come from Yorkshire, I've got a Jewish surname and all my grandparents are Scottish, so I understand the value of money. There's a saying in Doncaster, well in Yorkshire really, is can you get out for nout? All right, can you get something for paying nothing? Well, there's an old saying in life that you tend to get what you pay for. And unfortunately, that really applies to cheap divorces. If you go online, what you'll find is a multitude of websites. Some of them are lawyers, some of them aren't. Most of them probably aren't. I'm not an expert on whether or not they are the best or whatever. What I can say is that you've got to make your decision as to what is right for you. And if what is right for you is a divorce conducted that way, then you make that decision. What you may find is that you have delays. You may find that you haven't ticked certain things, and you may find that if you make that mistake, that you are then prejudiced, and it may be something that can't be corrected. I have recently been involved in cases where certain boxes weren't ticked by litigants in person, and maintenance orders that were made, I was able to successfully argue, were not made within the court's jurisdiction, and so had to be set aside. And my client was in a very good position accordingly. So what you have to do is really take legal advice. I would strongly suggest that whatever petition you file and whoever you file it with or whoever you use, just get it checked out by somebody like myself to make sure that you have done it all right. And that is a great insurance policy, because if we advise you, or if you're badly advised by a solicitor, then you have a remedy. You're able to make a complaint against that solicitor and be compensated, which you won't get if you're dealing with limited companies that are not necessarily regulated, who may not have any assets, who may not have any insurance. So you've got to bear these things in mind as well. So get it checked and make sure that you make the right decision that you feel comfortable with. That would be fine.